All right, yesterday in writing, I showed you how to give examples to support your opinion. So I said one of the reasons that you should buy a Kindle is because I can take it anywhere. But then I gave examples. I've taken it to the beach, on the airplane, to a doctor's office. I gave examples. So I had you meet with a partner, and you guys worked on adding examples. So here's mine. We're going to add this to our board. Give examples as a way to add details. So that was a way to add more details and make your writing stronger and longer. We're going to add that to details on our board. Okay, so today I want to show you how to even make your review even stronger with something that's called transition words. So we've been using these a little bit in some of our writing. We used it when we did our how to get Santa Claus out of the chimney, how to get him unstuck. First of all, to start with, to begin with. You'd use this one for your first reason. Use one of these for your first reason. Then the middle, you would say second, next, or then. This would be something to use for your second reason. Then your third and last reason, if you're on your third and last, if you have another one in the middle, you can use another one of these words. When you get to your last reason, remember you have to have at least 3 reasons. You can say last, finally, or in conclusion. Or to tell more, you can say, for example, this means that, also, additionally, in addition, another reason is, you can say that. Or to tell something different, you can say, however, or on the other hand. So these are different things you can say at the beginning of your reasons. So let's see if I used one. I think that the Kindle tablet is great. The Kindle is great because you can use it to read many different books. I like to read books about mysteries and teaching. Another reason, there it is, another reason. I use that one. So here's a transitional phrase I use. When I started my second reason, so now the reader knows I'm starting my second reason. Another reason why it is great is because it's small enough to bring with me so I can read anywhere I go. I have brought my Kindle to the beach, coffee shop, and on an airplane. Ooh, last. Now I started my one. Now my author knows I'm on my last reason. Last, I can use my Kindle to go on the internet and check my email. Now those were my reasons. 1, 2, 3. So I could add a word here. I think I'm going to add a word and say, first, the Kindle, so this would be lowercase now. The Kindle is great. So I'm going to use that for my first. So now my reader, the person that reads my story, will know this is my first reason, this is my another reason, this is my last reason. So it's showing where all my reasons are. Then remember, at the conclusion, this whole last part's my conclusion. I restate my opinion. Kindles are awesome. And then I can add something to persuade my reader to want to get a Kindle. If you like to read, you should buy one. So you see, I added transitional words for each of my reasons. So I want you to add a word at the beginning of each of your reasons. That's what I want you to do. If you already did, good job. And this pink paper will help you think of ways. This is for your first one. This is for your second or middle one, and another second or middle one, or another middle one. And then these are for one of your last ones. And then here's some just examples of some other ones. So I'm going to give you this pink piece of paper to stay with your review. If you're still working on your first review and you haven't met with a partner, let me know. If you finished your first review and you finished working with a partner, you're going to go back to your other review and see if you can add any of these to your reasons, okay? When you're done adding these to your reasons, then you can come get another piece of paper and start a new review. Start your second review.